Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face to Face to Online Transition. In today's session, we will be looking at how can we make sure we are not missing out on all those latest updates of Microsoft Teams. So without a further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. The easiest way to make sure you are getting all the latest updates from the Together mode, the Focus mode, the Gallery mode is to simply go ahead and click on your profile picture and make sure you check for updates every single time. And in addition to that, you also have to make sure you click on your settings and you have turn on the new meeting experience checked. And once you check this, you might have to restart your Teams, but it is as simple as that. Make sure you check this and also make sure you check for updates periodically. And that's all it is. You will have all the latest updates available on your desktop. I hope you enjoyed this quick and small video. If you do, make sure you like, subscribe, and if you think it's worth sharing, please go ahead and do so. There could be another instructor who might be waiting for these latest updates. And don't forget, happy teaching!